Good morning, adventure seekers! Couple radical adventure machines. This thing sounds sweet. K5 blazing. Don't know what's in that beast, but she sure sounds good. Alright, morning, Martin Bradley. Every Sunday morning, adventure seekers. Get yourself on down. Looking sweet. Plug and play LS3. I wonder it sounded so smooth coming on in. Alright, let's check out Vetster. What a beautiful color on this thing, man. Nice lines. I saw a bunch of them at the dealership the other day. They're enticing. This blue's nice. I like the reds. Even got the twin turbo action. Pretty crazy. 64 Galaxy. Low and mean street racing machine. Always looks good and sounds good too. I like this baby. 2001 Porsche Carrera. Got like the jet black. Little red accent on the rims. Street racer. 59 Ford. Love the customization that's gone into this. Detailed out. 59 Ford F100. Every detail known has been put on this baby. Custom bed, custom tailgate, custom rims and tires. Done a great job on this baby. Alright, adventure seekers, little Bob selling his adventure mobile. This is going to be a great truck for someone. Brand new, all-terrain tires on it. Give me a call. Phone number's right there. 2000 GMC 2500 two-wheel drive, 6-liter gas engine, only 65,000 miles. Interior is pristine. Running boards, 3 doors, seat 6 comfortably. Got the bed, liner in there. Comes with a 5th wheel hitch, 3-point trailer hitch, low tailgate, diamond plate toolboxes, snow cover. This thing is dialed in. Give me a call. This truck could be yours. Remember, only 65,000 original miles. 2000. It's got a lot of life left in it. Let's see what else we got here. This is a nice custom 3100 Chevy. Beautiful machine. Every detail is done upright with this beast. Gotta like it. Talking about trucks. Cruising on in with the 56 Apache 31 Chevy. Love that color. That is one sweet green. Love that color. Man, you don't see that color too much, but it's beautiful. It's kind of a, what do you call it? It's kind of a greenish, turquoise. Oh, the bed's beautiful in this thing. Man, look at that thing. Huh? Mint teal green. Teal green, but yeah, it is nice. Good job. Alright, no car shows complete without the Mad Max Destroyer Mobile. So much customization in this thing. Haven't even ever seen it all, I don't think. Gotta like it though. One mean machine. Nice working machine guns even. Just take a DeSoto body, throw it on a 4-wheel drive truck frame, start adding the madness to it. Little by little, you will have the screaming Mad Max machine. Beautiful color on this. Love the looks. gray leather interior. Form floor. Bel Air action. Kind of like that. Veteran owned. Thank you for your service. Chevy Nova street racing machine. Ready for some old school cruising, racing down the road. 1937. Beautiful ride. Love the paint job on this thing. Check out those flames. What a sweet looking ride. Someone's done a great job of that. 1956 Bel Air. Still looking good. Going on down the road in this. Bring back those memories. Check out that hood ornament. Fly away with that beast. Nice. Seekers! Teabag rolling in. Gotta love the sound of this beast. Oh yeah, I need two of them. I need it. Now that's the way to do it. Yes, sirree. I need two of them. One for me and one for the wife. What dealership did you pick this up at?
69 Motors.
69 Motors. Yeah. Gotta take a trip down there. All right. You're looking like you're having way too much fun there, youngster. Hell, every day. All right, adventure seekers. If you want adventure in life, get yourself a hot rod. Exposed engine. Need one.
Let me get the.
All right, the mini monster bike has been painted. You got the metal flake, man.
I got that chrome on there.
He pimped out his ride.
You know what they say, chrome will get you home.
That's right. This thing will haul your butt home in a hurry. Hi, caramba, adventure seekers. You need one. Right, what else we got going on around here in these parts? Looking good. Street racing. On here, looks like. Pretty good looking ride. Check this out. Old school pickup truck. Ford action. Thing's a beauty. Ain't quite gonna get my quad into the back of this one though. But it ain't for that purpose. It's looking cool. And it does. Like it. Little Datsun. Check out that intake. This thing wants some air. Man. Take you all day to clean that air filter. Nice meats on it too. Street racing. Oh, look at that. Fire extinguisher and reinforcements. This thing is ready for street racing action. It's like a new motorcycle for the young man. A little Kawasaki 300 SM. More street racing madness around here. Good looking Honda. Love that blue. Nice color. That's right. Corvette time. Double Corvette action. Let's see what else we got going on around here. Another beautiful Ford. Love the etching on the windows. Nice ride. Hi, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Check out the Swiss Army Knife Adventure Mobile. Pinsgauer. This machine will take you where you need to go. Low gear, 4-wheel drive craziness. Set up for adventure. The rack, built-in ice chest, tow chains. Looking good. Another off-road Pismo working machine. Plenty of room in here to do whatever you want. Got a brand new engine, brand new transmission. I love the patina. I wouldn't paint this thing, no way. I think it looks better the way it is. It looks mean. Dodge 2500 Power Wagon. Cummins Turbo Diesel. Smell that diesel. Tell you what. Another look at this beautiful blue Corvette. Man, the thing looks good. Little four-door Pismo machine. Nice little dune buggy action. Like that. The Louis Mobile. Cruising on in. Nice. Right. It's got all kinds of nice rides. 1951. Here we go. Sunbeam Tiger. The Tiger of a man.
He don't know my name, but he knows the car.
Everybody knows the Sunbeam Tiger.
They don't want to know me, just where's the car?
Where's the car? Let me see that engine, man.
I've been pushed out of the way to get to the car.
All right. Oh, you're keeping it clean though. Looking good. Oh man, I like this. Look at that Cobra engine. 66 Mustang. Love the color of this thing too.
Yeah, that is a pretty color.
Yeah. Old school fun. Right next to the green Ford Mustang machine. If you show me your engine, I'll show you my engine.
I'll show you my dirt.
My engine's cleaner than your engine. That's right. Supercharge your ride. And then filter into it, into the Cobra intake. And we'll get you there in a hurry. Okay. GMC Sierra 2500 heavy duty. Max diesel. I need it. I need one. Might just have to run down and get me one myself. Somebody throw me a bone and buy my old one so I can trade it for the new one. It's a radical looking truck. On in with the Z28. School muscle madness. All right, sounding good. Like one mean machine. So you're gonna do a little Ricky racing. Get yourself a Z28. And if you want to do some cruising, get yourself 1951 low rider. Beautiful color on this thing. Golden ride. Alright, nice looking Dodge. The color, engine's been looking good. Two-door madness. This thing sounds sweet when it rolls in. Love this black truck. Nice. Oh man, done a great job on the bed of this truck. Little Volkswagen action. All right, got some good ones rolling in, folks. Oh yeah, nice. Hauling A. The green Gumby 57 Chevrolet, 57 Ford Vic. Motorcycle madness even. Bring what you got. We like them all. If it's got an engine, we like it. Good looking black and white Bel Air.
You know, you got to prepare yourself.
Back to basics.
You know, I got to go out there.
The black and white Bel Air. Let's get a little bit more of a close up of the Holland. Hey. of that exposed engine look. Now that is an engine to be proud of right there, my friend. Man, it's like a big old diamond ring sitting out there, letting it glitter. Saying, check it out. Mama's got the ring, but I got. Right, adventure seekers, you need a 62 Nova, built from the ground up by Ray, the man. If he built it, you know it's a good ride. Give him a call. It's on Facebook Marketplace too if you want some details. And Ida, the 37 Business Coupe. They spend the time putting this together and many things. So bring what you got, car, truck, motorcycle, mini bike, we don't care. Free to enter, 10 o'clock, we're giving it away. Who knows, you might learn something, you might see some cars you like, you might get a free prize. What more could you want? Oh, looks like we had little parts for sale over here too. Just in case you need something, it might be here. Oh, I don't think I got this one. SS Camaro 350. I love that yellow and black look. Nice stance on this ride. Good looking Camaro. Beautiful looking Plymouth. Nice red. Edelbrock intake. Nice. Good looking ride. Good looking. What's we got going on here? Little Chevy pickup truck. This thing's a beautiful, restored, beautiful paint job. Love the bed. Did a great job on this truck. Love that color. Hey, then we got the modified Corvette. What we got going on around here? It's like the veteran-owned 327 El Camino. That bed liner makes it look a lot nicer. Little Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme cruising machine. Another Chevy Bel Air. Malibu SS convertible. That is a good looking Chevelle. Cars are out today. Bringing out their fine looking machines. Man, polished them up, ready to rock and roll. Let's get yourself on down here, corner of Clark and Bradley. Show us what you got. Be glad to see it. We love our cars, motorcycles, dune buggies, everything. Cruising on in. Good looking Chevy. Turbo action. Holla. Right. Cruising on in. I like that. Vietnam veteran. Thank you for your service, sir. One good looking ride. Beautiful. Rolling on in. Monte Carlo. Action. Another Ricky Racer. Check out that Toyota. What else we got over here? Built from the ground up. Chevy. Raspberry creamsicle. Love that color. Don't see that special blend very often. Love the way he's done the engine too. No exposed wires or anything else. Everything's hidden. He's done a great job. Raspberry creamsicle machine. Good looking truck. Oh, 35 Ford. Runs like a Greyhound.
Yeah. The Greyhound with the V8.
Yeah.
The V8.
5 Ford coupe. Little details are like a fun little car. Back window. Looks like it rolls down. That's cool. An extra bullet hole and everything. Heading out with a sweet looking Galaxy. Keep it under 80, my friend. All right. The Marvel Mystery Oil Franken machine is out. Piece it together and cruise it.
It's painted with a paintbrush.
Yeah, I love that backrest. Just give me a plywood backrest and some seats from it. Check this out. This looks fun. 1950 crazy machine. Old school hot rod action.
White wall tires.
Nice. All right. Like a good assortment of gifts today. So if you want to win one of these, bring your ride down. Orcutt, Donut, Derelicts. 10 o'clock, you might win something. All right. Stay tuned for more car craziness. Little Bob's Big Adventures. I love the paint job on this thing. The engine. Those ghost flames. Dual carb.
This morning.
Woo, good. How about you?
Fantastic now.
I'm sure, yeah. Driving this down the road, you can't help but have a smile on your face. She's a beauty. Absolutely. Got to be happy when you're driving this one around. 1940. Beautiful machine. Gotta like it. Custom action. All right, true adventure seeking machine. Check out this old school camper van. It's got all the bells and whistles. Everything you need to cruise on down the road. Got your privy and your sinks, storage, bed, whatever you need. Scooby-Doo action with this beast. I like it. Sweet ride. Love the blue. It's all Ricky raced out. The shifters, the roll cage. Looks like it had some action too. Nice Chevy engine in this beast. Liking it. You don't think I got this Corvette? The Vetster. Check out the convertible Cobra. Now that beautiful ride right there. Some fun with this one. One good looking convertible Impala. Blue on blue. Nice color combo. Sounded sweet when she rolled in. Chevrolet Madness. Little Nova. Action. Good stuff. Right, stay tuned to that stickers. More Little Bob craziness. 1964 Chevy Malibu SS convertible. Hey, keeps this one spotless, folks. Bring a smile to your face, cruising down the road in this fine machine. On in with the beautiful Ford Mustang.